If you open up PowerPoint, then you'll be greeted with the following block, which is Create with Copilot. And clicking on this will open up the Copilot prompt where you can create a presentation about any subject and reference up to 5 files from your OneDrive. When you start a new presentation, Copilot will be directly available from your Home tab ribbon. And clicking on the Copilot icon will activate the Copilot panel on the right-hand side of your presentation. Let's take a quick look. Here is my presentation. If I navigate across the Home tab ribbon, I can select the Copilot icon, and that will open up the Copilot panel. And Copilot is directly available above your slides. So above your slides, you'll have an icon which you can click to activate Copilot. Let's take a quick look. So I'm back into my presentation, and you'll see there's an icon here. Clicking on this icon will activate a menu list of items related to Copilot. And the Design Suggestions tool is additionally powered by Copilot and available from your Home tab ribbon. So if you need some design suggestions, this is a very useful tool. The next thing that we're going to take a look at is how you can sync to your OneDrive and why this is important. So if you sync up OneDrive with your PowerPoint presentation, Copilot will be able to work directly with your organization's files. And by connecting to OneDrive, your presentations will automatically be saved to the cloud. And Copilot connects seamlessly with your content, and you can use this to utilize that content for additional slides or brand new presentations. Let's go and take a look how you can sync up PowerPoint to your OneDrive. First thing to do is open up PowerPoint and then select Account in the bottom left-hand corner. If you're not logged into your account, you'll need to select Sign In, enter your email credentials, then enter your password. Once you've entered your password, select Sign In. Once you've signed in, it should automatically connect up to your OneDrive services. If not, select the Add Service button, hover the mouse over Storage, and select OneDrive Work/School. Then go ahead and sign in.
What was your favorite part of this tutorial? We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Visit the Simon Says It channel, explore our videos and training sessions, and decide what you want to learn next.